Office in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles west of Port Washington to 13 nautical miles north of McHenry, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.